Morning guys, it's what's up you guys? So right now you guys, we are going to a job agency, so that is what's going on. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. We made some parfaits.
They're for lunch.
For lunch. Doesn't matter, it can be anything, anytime. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are putting the new computer desk together. So that is what's going on. You guys, we are putting the new computer desk together. Guys, do give a big thumbs up. Good night.